Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Hyundai Accent key fob. It's important to know that for many newer Hyundai Accent models, including the 2013 version, self-programming isn't an option. These vehicles require specialized diagnostic equipment to link a new key fob to your car's system. We'll clarify what this means for you. For your Hyundai Accent, specifically the 2013 model, the manufacturer did not include self-programming capabilities. This means you cannot program the key fob yourself using a sequence of ignition turns or button presses. Instead, a professional needs to connect specialized diagnostic equipment to your vehicle's computer to perform the programming. So, who can program your key fob? You have two main options. A qualified automotive locksmith possesses the necessary diagnostic tools and expertise to program your remote. Alternatively, your local Hyundai dealership can also perform this service. It's a good idea to call both for quotes and availability. Before your appointment, gather all key fobs you want programmed, both new and existing ones. Make sure your vehicle is easily accessible for the technician. It's also wise to confirm with the locksmith or dealership that they can program the key fob for your specific Hyundai Accent model to avoid any surprises.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.